Look at that. From my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all to your stomach. On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, I'll be sharing with you a little garden salad. But I just want to say special thanks and welcome to all the new people coming onto the page. Resounding manners and respect to all those that have been here with me from the beginning and you're still here. And I also want to send a shout out to all my patrons that have been making my page possible. If you would like to be a part of my Patreon family, click on the link in the description and show us some love over there. Our post notification shout outs today, they always go right there. Now, may I sweat. When I can't say may I sweat, I'm sweating. It's like almost summer. Me never see this. It's just hot. Mother's Day, you know, I'm on a little mission to presenting like little out of the box Mother's Day things that if you're not taking out mom, you can do for her at home. Some things that are light. I've given you about 2 to 3 videos already. I've given you the carrot sheet cake, that's for dessert. I've given you the curry mashed potato, and I've also given you the oven roasted potatoes. Now I'm going to be giving you a salad today. I'm going to be putting a little garden salad together. So you can use anything of choice. When you know, you can mix and match, you can use, depends on what you have. So I'm going to be making for you today a garden salad. I've got white onions. I was trying to get red, but actually I did not. I've got some tomatoes. I've got a carrot. I've got romaine lettuce. I am using some Jamaican celery. I like the taste of the celery. A little yellow bell pepper for me. I'm not so much into the green. It's too tangy. I'll add them something. We're going to be using a little parmesan. And of course, we will be using a little croutons to top it off. And you might be asking some people, what is croutons? Croutons are just some like a toasted bread. And for the people who's going to say, who? Since when Jamaicans do croutons? Croutons are in Jamaica. They're in the supermarkets. You get them on sale. When you go to different restaurants and delis, they are in Jamaica. We step up in our life now. That is for you who is coming to ask, since when Jamaica have croutons? Yes, we have it. So this is up to you. For the dressing, we'll see as we go. So let us get all of the prepping started. For me, I like to give when I'm using like raw onions in salad, I like to use, I'm gonna use my salt spoon. I like to use a little sugar. Yeah, that's just for me. You don't have to do that. And this is some vinegar. Okay. Also, I'll add just a pinch of salt. I just want to take you know, onions can be a little strong and all like that. So I'm gonna make this little thing. I'm gonna dissolve it in there. I'm gonna be using, I don't think I'll be using all of this onion. I'll be slicing it thin. You can slice it how you would like. You can slice it on the cross, you know, and make some. You can do your onions, but at the end of the day, you want to separate them, like, you know, single them out. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So even if you cut it broad, you want to single them out. They're going to stay in there and take this nice little sweet tangy taste and a little salt to bring stuff together. Also, if you get out that strongness out of the onion, that in case when you don't eat the salad and somebody come up to you, all that onion flavor now go out to the people. You get what I'm saying? Because you know the onion them can be all onions. So I'm just doing that, you know, and it's gonna have a nice little taste. You're leaving it in there. Yeah, nice. Let's get our hands dried. Now the base of the salad will be the romaine. Here, this is some baking soda water. I choose to use baking soda because it's romaine lettuce and it was not washed as yet. Salt water, yes you can, but salt I gonna make the leaf them kind of, you know, really like also. So I'm gonna be using some romaine lettuce, and you want to cut it not too fine, because you know you're making a garden salad. You don't want to shred it, you know what? It's not a shredding. Okay, something like this. And you can tear it up if you want to you know that little look there. Yeah, so you want to have it like this. You see that? So I'm putting it in my baking soda water. Also, I think I'm going to put a few pieces of ice in there, because I'm going to leave it in there for a little time, and it's clean to the core. Yeah, I use as much of it because I can't afford to throw it away. Okay, you do you. In we go, and I'm going to put some ice in there to keep the crunch on the lettuce. For my carrots now, I'll be you can cut your carrots. I'm making some carrot sticks. You can make your carrot sticks how you want them. Do them how you want them. So I'm going to be cutting them like on the bias. May I cut them? And then when I cut them on the bias, I'll just try to do them like this. You know, I'm trying to make them not too thick. Because remember, say carrot kind of chewy, you know. You don't want to make it too thick in there. You understand? So I'm going to be cutting off some of my carrots, and you have them looking like this. Not the cutest of carrots on the inside, but we have to go where we have. These are looking really cute for the salad, okay? So we're now going to cook them in next clip. Okay, now, so here we have our lettuce, and I have done my bell peppers, I've done my carrots and my tomatoes, and I did them like this. Remember, you know, family, you can do it how you want to do it. Put your thing how you want to do it, and you don't have to do all these. But remember, I think lettuce is always a priority in these salads. You can use spinach, anything you want to use. Now I am using a little celery, and my celery will be chopped very fine, because my celery will be for flavoring. Because look here, celery have one pretty beautiful. Whoever knows about celery, you know that celery have this really just nice flavor. Celery just bring out that without green juice. What have you? I don't want to put too much neither, because it's not a lot. It's not a big salad. Yeah, can put a little piece of the stalk, because I always like the stalk. Yeah, celery gives a really beautiful. It enhances almost like anything, whether juice, cooking, seasoning, salads. I'm putting some celery in. A little celery right there, because the salad not extra big. Maybe this I gotta serve for me and Cobb. I am putting a little piece of this. I don't want any eat, just for, and it's Jamaican Scotch bonnet, just for a little extra gig, you know. So we I do that. See, this is totally optional. So may I do it like the celery and come back. See. So this is my little Scotch bonnet, green one, of course. Just a little extra Jamaican taste in this. So let's not forget our onions. Let me try a piece. Wow. That just teeny bit of a little sweetness to it, you know? A little touch, not too much of the vinegar, because I didn't put a lot. Just to pull out that strongness of the salad. You know, oftentimes you get a salad and when you finish that onion thing, this is so, this is not so strong. It diminish it, man. So red onion would be so pretty right here, but guess what? I don't have none. So if you have, do your thing and do your other. Now it's time for us to do a little tossing. Just light. You don't want to go crush it down now like say. This is what I say. We just all try. You know what tossing is? Tossing is just to bring the little flavors and the colors together. So you look for it. Wow. And it's coming out. Look at that. It's coming out. You see that? So mix and match. Do your thing of choice. I'm going to continue mix this. And when I come back, I'm going to show you how you add your croutons. And remember, I told you we're going to be using a little Parmesan. Remember, never serve in the bowl that you toss in. You need a serving bowl to bring out your something. Okay, now fam, we have onto our serving bowl. So we're going to put our little croutons. And everybody know what crouton do in a salad. You know, you go and they have it in the supermarkets too. You know, I have to put all of these because, as I said before, it's not a big salad. But you put, I guess you put as much as you want, you know. Because when you go in at the little store-bought one, and nobody knows you know all of it, you know. So this is our Parmesan. Parmesan has a freshly grated Parmesan. It has a beautiful, beautiful. I honestly, since I started learning about Parmesan, I honestly love that taste. Look at that. From my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all to your stomach. It is just a simple garden salad done just for you. Please do enjoy. The bowl is light, and as light as the bowl is, that's just how it is in your stomach. Light and nice and very, very nutritious. I hope you will do and enjoy. Now this could be served. Remember, this is a side. So you could serve this with your protein of choice. You could serve this with a piece of lasagna, nice as a serving of lasagna, and a little piece of slice or a little garlic bread to the side, yeah? Trying to keep it elegant. You could serve it with a slice or two of roast beef. You could have served with a piece of jerk chicken. And then nothing. You do. Take it. Make it your own. It's Mother's Day. And if you're not having money if you go out, and if you're not, mom don't, you know, sometimes mom don't want to go out. You just do it at home. Make it elegant. Make it nice. Thanks for loving. Thanks for supporting. I'll catch you again with another video.